students, myself Komal, and today we are going to continue the chapter number 8, in which we are at trigonometry identities. So here we are going to start with having a right angle triangle ABC, in which B is the right angle. Okay, so here triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and angle B is equals to 90 degree. So therefore angle A and angle C are the acute angles. Okay, so here we can write the Pythagoras for this particular triangle ABC, which is AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. Okay, so now this is the Pythagoras formula, and if we are dividing this whole equation by AC square, divide the equation by AC square. So what we are having, AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square is equals to AC square upon AC square. Okay, so this could be 1, और ये यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, AB upon AC whole square plus BC upon AC whole square is equals to 1. As you all know that if we are having angle A as an acute angle, so AB upon AC, that is AB upon AC, which is adjacent upon hypotenuse, adjacent upon hypotenuse, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, adjacent upon hypotenuse कौन सा फॉर्म होता है, cos theta, so this is cos theta whole square plus BC upon AC. If we are taking A as the acute angle, so BC is the opposite side, so BC upon AC will be sin theta. So sin theta whole square is equals to 1. So here we are having the first identity, which is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1, or else you can write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. From this we are having sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, and we are having the subject as a cos square theta, then cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So this is the first identity which we are going to use in this particular chapter and chapter number 9 also. Now let's just have, if we are having the Pythagoras again, that is AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. Now divide this equation, divide the equation by BC square. So what we are having, this is square, so this is AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC square is equals to AC square upon AB BC square. Okay, so this could be 1, और ये क्या हो जाएगा, AB upon BC whole square plus 1 is equals to AC upon BC whole square. Okay, so AB upon BC, so let's just draw our right angle in which we are having A, B and C. So AB upon BC क्या होता है, that is which we are having, this is what adjacent side and this is what opposite. So adjacent upon opposite, which function is there, which is cot theta. cot theta square plus 1 is equals to AC upon BC, that is AC upon BC, which gives us cosec theta whole square. So we are having the another identity which is cot square theta plus 1 is equals to cosec square theta. Okay, so this is the another identity which we are going to use. Now again just take the exam again, the Pythagoras form, that is AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. And if we divide this equation by AB square, so what we are having, divide the equation by AB square. So the equation turns in AB square upon AB square plus BC square upon AB square is equals to AC square upon AB square. Okay, so this is 1 plus BC upon AB whole square is equals to AC upon AB whole square. So here we are having BC upon AB and AC upon AB. So tell me what functions we are going to turn. BC upon AB and AC upon AB. It will turn in BC upon AB will be 10. So this is 1 plus 10 theta whole square is equals to AC upon AB will be sec theta. So this is sec theta whole square. Okay, so here we are having the another identity which is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Okay, so this is the third identity which we are going to use. Okay, so let's just write the three different identities, which is first sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. The second one will be 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta, and the last one which is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. So this is the three identity which we are going to use in exercise 8.3 and 8.4 and in chapter number 9. So we will just stop here. In the next video we will continue the exercise 8.4. Till then, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.